Welcome back, everyone. We are continuing Lab 8, Exercise 6, and Task 2. Alright, earlier we have stopped at authorizing, and I hope you have authorized Power BI. You need to only use authorized email ID, meaning to say it is not public ID. It has to be either business or academic ID. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create Power BI new output pane. Under output alias, we're going to copy this name and paste it here. Okay, so under the group workspace, well, I think we can just leave it because we did not create any workspace. So I just put there my workspace. And then let's see. Under dataset, we are going to copy this name and we're going to paste it. And the table, right? So the authentication mode, we are taking user token. Alright, then once everything is done, we are clicking save and the output will be generated. Why is the output? It's because we are sending information from here. We are sending it to the Power BI. So when we are sending it to Power BI, we definitely need to ensure that it is authentication. It is licensed device or software or even an account. Okay, so let's proceed to task 3 and let's update SQL. So we are going to the query here. Okay, at the query here, we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it over here. Alright, so we are done with that. So we're going to verify there is 2 input and 2 output and output tables. Once we have done that, we're going to save this query. Alright, it is saved and we go back to overview and we're going to click start. 2 input, 2 output, and you can also check what are the tables, right? So at the start, the time start now and we're going to click start. Alright, that completes exercise 6. Now we are moving to exercise 7 where this is involving creation in Power BI. Right? So let's okay. So let's see if we open it through the portal here. How do we look? How does it reflect? You know, let's see how does it reflect too. You know, we follow through. I have my desktop, but this is a browser based. So let's see. Okay, I've already have my account. We give some time for it to load, and here we are. It is out here. So we are expanding the workspace. Alright, let's expand the workspace. Okay, at the data set here, let's click and see what is the data set that's displayed. So it is yes. I'm clicking back again my workspace to see where this is the workspace that I've chosen over there. And there we go, vibration data set is already created. And yes, so it is displayed, meaning to say it is working fine. We are going to explore this. We're going to do the lab, right? So now what we're going to do is we go to the next step, which is step 4, and at the right top, click create here, and then click on the dashboard. Oh, create, then click dashboard. So do you see a dashboard here? Let's see if we can. Alright, not here. Alright, let's give a try. I don't see a dashboard here. I don't know if you could see a dashboard. So let's give a try. I'm clicking pick up publish, and then I'm going to say create. Well, it has created. It has went to the uh, alright, come back. Okay, this is where, that's why we need to explore it. Okay, alright, so under the workspace, I click new. Instead of clicking create, if this is how you see it, then you can always click new and then click dashboard. When it comes to create dashboard here, type vibration dash. Okay, and I'm clicking create. That completes the task 1, and we are moving to task 2. Alright, we are going to add the vibration gauge tile. So how are we going to do that? Let's explore. Well, I am not too sure how. Alright, click on the edit button here, and you see add a tile. So click on add a tile. So under the tile pane, click on real-time data and custom streaming data and click next. Okay, then click on add a custom streaming deadline. Click on the data set, so vibration data set, and then we click next. Okay, so here under the vibration type, so I think it's visualization type. Okay, so here we're going to choose gauge. Alright, so from gauge we're going to go into value and add value. Click on it and click on add value. Let's see, value, we are clicking on add value. At the drop down we are choosing vibe. Great, and then click on next. Alright, and then the tile details. Okay, to display the tile detail, title, we enter vibration. Okay, and then to leave the remaining by default and then we ought to click apply. So let's not create that first. We will just follow through. And here we go. Yes, we can see that. And remember, this is running. So this is running and it's actually populating data from there. That is great, and I'm happy that it is working fine. Okay, let's go to task 3 and let's complete the lab 8. Now it's getting fun and it's getting more interactive. Okay, we are reading and populating the data. Okay, now we're going to add the spike and dip score cluster bar chart title. How are we going to do that? Let's see where it is. We are clicking on add a tile. Okay, on the real time streaming, we're going to click next, and then we're going to click on the data set. We're going to click next, and here we're going to choose clustered bar chart. At the value, we're going to say add value, and click on the drop down. We're going to say spike and dip score. We're going to choose next, and we're going to display the tile detail page. You just click apply since they did not ask us to name it, so you just apply it, right? So now next we are moving to task 4. We're going to do the same, add a tile, custom streaming data. Okay, and choose our data set and click next, and then we're going to type here cart. Okay, we choose cart, and then we're going to add value is spike and dip. Then we're going to say next, enter is anomaly. Alright, one we did not have the name, unless we have name here, right? So the rest leave it and we're going to apply it. So can we actually put it down here? Ah, we can move it. See, isn't it fun? Alright, we have finished, and now we are going to the task 5. Oh, we have just done that. We can rearrange the spike and dip score is normally vibration, and okay, so we have done that. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to go for the task 6, click again to the streaming, and we choose our data set. We click next, we click on line chart this time. Alright, then we are clicking on line chart. On the axis we add value, we are selecting time. On the values we are selecting is spike dip. Then we're moving to next. Under the time, oh, we go back again, there's another one also. So under the time, click 60, then leave it 2 minutes, then we are clicking next, and then here we get the name here. We're going to put the name and we're going to say apply. Okay, we are creating an phone. So there you go. We have 3 anomalies over the hours. Oh, isn't it great? So we have just finished, and yeah, it is a great work, isn't it? Hope you had fun doing the vibration dash in Power BI, and till we meet in the next lab. Tata and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.